February, Sovelmash continued to enhance its production processes. While awaiting the approval for commissioning, the company is not wasting time or money, but is establishing technological chains to make its operations as efficient as possible. A shipment from China arrived at the Design and Engineering Technology Bureau, including casting equipment, a die for cutting rotor segments, and a machine for trimming runners. The die was installed on the press. The first segments of the 305-sized aircraft engine for the Motylek drone were stamped. Tests were conducted on the aircraft electric motor with a turbine, cooling system, and propeller. The flight controller for the drone was adjusted sufficiently for further testing. The runner trimming machine was assembled and set up at the workstation. The first rotors for the angle grinder were cast using the high-pressure die casting machine. A sample of the asynchronous motor controller, developed and manufactured at Sovelmash, was released. The wave gearbox parts, whose plastic prototypes were made in January, were completed in metal in February. Another batch of parts for a commercial order was shipped. Additionally, Sovelmash specialists began the initial preparation of the documentation package for purchasing land under favorable conditions. A group of entrepreneurs from Ivanovo visited the Design and Engineering Technology Bureau, DETB, Sovelmash, to learn about modern industrial enterprises in Russia. The guests were extremely surprised and impressed by the high level of organization at DETB. The same impression of Sovelmash was left by Doctor of Technical Sciences, academician, and chief designer of the Russelprom concern, Lev Makarov, who officially recognized the company's contribution and personally acknowledged Dmitry Duyunov's role in the development of technologies and innovations.